Itu Rajang Semang. Rajang Semang, wonten napi niki Pak?
Niki untuk sampai market niki ngirim simpang Samadi niki untuk spesial hari Minggu mantan.
Nggih, suksema banget, suksema.
Balik ya balik.
Nggih.
Jajan balik jalan saja.
Wow, benar gulung. Can. Bahasa Indonesia boleh, bahasa Inggris boleh, bahasa Bali tadi.
Boleh dicobain sampelnya.
Thank you. Wow.
Yummy.
Wow. 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 Om Swastiastu. Selamat datang ke Pasar Samadi, ya. Pasar Samadi, ya. Okay, I am here with my good friend Chef Arnel, and you have joined Pasar Samadi just for 1 year now as a partner in the market here, and I am so amazed at what is going on here. They've taken the concept of a traditional Balinese market and turned it into a tourist attraction, making a Sunday farmers market. Absolutely. Can you mungkin tolong menjelaskan sedikit tentang apa konsepnya dari farmers market itu?
Itu fournisseurs locaux, fresh and organic food dari dulu, setiap hari datang. Jadi kita mulai dengan konsep farmer market dan orang sangat suka. Jadi banyak yang minta, banyak yang datang, sukses besar. Dan setelah beberapa tahun itu kita mau bikin supermarket dan masukkan konsep farmer market di dalam supermarket. Dan yang kita tambah juga, karena banyak yang turis-turis yang cari itu, kita coba untuk Bali, main sama lokal, main sama organik, dan no plastic.
No plastic. Ini bagus sekali. Dunia
Itu benar. Jadi di pasar itu, dalam ini, semua barangnya tidak ada single-use plastik. Dari tas plastik, dari packaging plastik itu nggak bisa kita pakai packaging tradisional, dari
kali bambu,
dari ini, dari gelas. Ya, waktu bagi masalah plastik itu dan itu sudah nomor.
ya sangat luar biasa. Oke, terima kasih banyak Chef Arnold. Kita mau tour di Pasar Samadi sekarang ya. Oke, thank you. Favorite part of Pasar Samadi. This is something that I've known Chef Arnold for a long time now, and this is my favorite part about all of the amazing things that Chef Arnold makes. He makes amazing baked goods, amazing breads, but my very favorite is the ice cream. And let's take a look here what we've got. What's on the menu today?
So on the menu today, we have like the mojito. It's not the virgin one, so we have a little bit of alcohol.
So we use a little bit of arak bali, yeah?
That's why it's so good. We have like the passion fruit. It's come from Bedugu. We have the farmers suppliers for the fruits.
Okay, so the fruits come fresh from Bedugu.
Exactly.
Right here and get made right here.
Exactly.
Right here in the back.
No, we are not making in the back. We have like a facility, another place, but
Wow.
it's under facility and then directly here.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Strawberries gone from Bedugu. Vanya, it's an Indonesian vanya, it's come from Java. This one, we have very good one. The croquis choc, it's a vegan ice cream with a cashmere. Production of the cashmere is in Bali. And
Okay.
we homemade biscuits.
So it's a vegan ice cream.
Everything is vegan. It's one of the goal of Samadi, healthy food. So we are the very good vegan ice cream in Bali.
Nice.
The manga, I mean here, the coconut also, stracciatella. And the last one, probably one of my favorites, the sorbet chocolat. It's really for chocolate lovers. Very dark, very strong chocolate coming from Bali.
Okay, we gotta start with the sorbet chocolat.
Oh,
then.
sure.
This is the chef's recommendation. We're starting with sorbet chocolat.
Okay, actually I make it for you. You want as we are no plastic, this is made even more for Bali. This is cut made from banana leaf.
Okay, I have close up. So this cup is made from a banana leaf.
Absolutely. You come to buy ice cream here and you have absolutely no plastic. You can throw everything outside, it will just disappear naturally.
Go back to the era, biodegradable.
Biodegradable, 100%.
Wow, amazing.
That's very important because you know the tourists are coming back and now what they want something which is healthy, something which is good for Earth. This one, I mean, it's no plastic free. You eat this and you don't feel guilty because then you throw a plastic spoon and a plastic cup. No, you feel free.
There's no plastic and everything is totally biodegradable. And here, with all this amazing food, they are ready for tourism. It's already starting back. You can see here, there's so many tourists that come to this place, and it's starting to come back, and they're ready here for a brighter and better future for Bali. Okay, I have to try it now. Yeah. What would you recommend that goes best with the chocolate? Manga. Wow.
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, here we are. This is the big reveal. Okay, look here. We have strawberry sorbet, manga sorbet, And you can see here, ooh, underneath is the dark chocolate sorbet. Oh my god. Okay, I have to try it one by one first. Wow. Oh, that's so good.
No coloring, no coloring.
No artificial color, no artificial flavor. It's all directly from the fruit. And then of course I gotta go into the bottom here and see what everybody's talking about with this chocolate. So this chocolate comes specifically recommended by Chef Arnaud. Wow.
Pure cacao.
That is pure dark chocolate. And it just feels like, oh my god, it's like I'm eating a cold chocolate bar. It's like I'm eating a cold bar of pure dark chocolate. That is so good. It feels so nice on the tongue the way it finishes. Okay, and now of course I have to try all three together. We've got a little bit of chocolate, a little bit of mango, and a little bit of strawberry. Okay, here's the all three in one. Wow. So much for the tour of the place today, Samadi, Bali, and I'd just like to ask you for a few words on what's happening with tourism in Bali and your opinions and ideas on where it's going.
So, as everyone, we've been very impacted by the COVID coming, and it was very challenging. So, we work a lot. We find new ways, and it was a very good time actually for us to think about what the tourist wants to make it everything better. So now we are ready for the coming back of the tourists. We saw now with the borders a little bit more people coming, so we have a lot of hope with like the vaccine and everything, the Bali going back to green, and we are really ready for the tourists to come back. We move on the new trends, we know what they want, we really improve ourselves, improve the process, as you have seen with the ice cream, the cups, all the small details that give all this value, and it will help to get Bali great again. It's like no plastic in Bali, healthy place, good vibe, and it's really to welcome all the tourists back.
Oh, that's great. So could you be comfortable in saying that Bali is on its way back and we don't have to be worried about what's happening right now?
No, I'm super confident. I mean, Bali will be ever the best place on earth. It was the best place for the COVID time, when you see what happened in Europe and everything. Everybody wants to come back to Bali. Bali, it's peace, it's change a positive way of thinking, it's a nice lifestyle, and everything is ready. All the Russians are ready to come back. I mean, Americans, Australians trying to come. I mean, we are waiting for you guys. We are ready.
We're here waiting for you. Bali is back. We're ready. Let's go. Pasar Samadi, Mantap Jiwa, Pasar Hari Minggu, Sunday Farmers Market. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you very much for coming.
The love emergency, don't make me wait. Just fall, I'll lead you. I urgently need you.